So what's up guys, I hope you are having an amazing day. If you are not, then I have nothing to do. Okay, let's come into the topic. And now guys, today I'm going to show you how to count your YouTube channel subscribers live. So if you want to count your YouTube channel subscribers live, then watch the full video till end. So let's go. Okay, so now guys, open your Google Chrome or any type of browsers. And now as you can see in the screen, I am already opened one website, and I will provide the link of this website in the description. Okay, now let me show you how to count your YouTube channel subscribers live. Now open your YouTube channel and you need to copy your URL. So let me show you how to do it. Click on three dot as you can see in the top, and now click on share. And now as you can see right here, there is copy link option. Now click on copy link. Okay, now go to the website again, and now as you can see in the top, there is search bar. Now paste the link in the search bar. Okay, now search it. And now as you can see in the screen, I have only 158 subscribers. Okay, no problem. Now as you can see right here, I can see my subscribers. Okay guys, now let me show you one more example. Okay, now as you can see in the screen, there is PewDiePie's channel, and as you can see, this is counting live. Guys, let me show you one interesting trick. What is this? Okay, now click on red subscribe button as you can see here, and now click on subscribe, and then click on notification bell. Okay, so guys, today's video is ending right here. If you like this video, don't forget to smash on the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and with your family members. And guys, don't forget to click on subscribe button. As you can see in the screen, there is my channel logo. Just click on it and then click on subscribe. Okay, so I will catch you in the next video, and I'm out.